Hello, my name is Karen Kidder. Welcome to Microsoft Word and Excel. I have been teaching for over 19 years, and I'm privileged to be your instructor for the next 6 weeks. I have extensive knowledge in all of the Microsoft applications, and I hold a master's certification in both Word and Excel. Basic skills in both Word and Excel are extremely important for virtually every employment opportunity that you will pursue. This course is designed to provide the basic skills necessary to compete in today's job market. As we start this journey together, please know that I'm available to help 7 days a week. You will find my contact information in the syllabus. I'm an email, text message, or phone call away. Communication is key to success in this class. I will respond as soon as possible. Other key factors for success. Do not procrastinate. Honing your Word and Excel skills takes practice. Log in each day, do your assignments, and practice. Participate in the discussion boards. Your initial weekly discussion board post must be submitted each Thursday. You will then reply to at least 3 of your peers by Sunday. Lastly, stay engaged and do not hesitate to ask for help. This is why I'm here. Again, welcome to class.